Hi, I want to show you a really cool exercise you can do to get the most out of moving your feet and getting those pedals really moving. So you're going to play a 7th chord in both hands. So we're going to start with F, A, C, E. And the idea is you're going to play left hand, left, right, and then come back down again. So you're going to play those notes one at a time. And depending on your level of playing, you could do fancy things like playing 4, 2, 3, 1 or any other combination. But the idea basically is just to go up and down in one unit. And you're going to keep looping that arpeggio up and down. So now, this is where the fun stuff happens. So, you're going to exercise your feet by moving the pedals, but keeping the chord the same. So you start off with one revolution of that pattern. So if you start in naturals, everything, all the pedals in the middle. And then as you begin to start the pattern again, move the pedals down into sharps. Back to naturals, up to flats, back to naturals. Now this is where we're going to start changing it. You're going to do your left foot down and your right foot up, back to the middle again, and then the other way around. And then back to naturals again. So you've kept your fingers doing exactly the same thing, and you can just concentrate on your feet, moving your feet up and down, getting those pedals moving. And the other thing that it's good for is sort of training your ear to not be put off by playing the same chord but a different sound coming out, because I think that's can be really tricky when you're just starting out as a player, to not get put off by all the enharmonic sounds that happen. So here's where you can use all these chord progressions really quickly, and this can be a warm-up depending on how fast you play it. It could only take you a couple of minutes and you really get to grips with using all those pedals. So if you start with D, F, A, C, and you're going to put your feet on the D and the A pedals. And so on. You're going to move through all the pedals so that you end that whole pattern, so you end up back to the naturals again. And then if you move your fingers up one, so you're now on E, G, B, D, and move your feet so you're now on D and G. Same thing, move through the whole pattern, okay? And then you move the fingers up one to F, A, C, E. Move your feet in, so you're now moving F, A, C, the F and C pedals, and so on and so forth. Move back down to E, G, B, D, and you can move your feet in, and now you're going to do the same pattern using the E and B pedals. Okay, move down again, D, F, A, C. There we go. We got now back onto our C and F pedals. So the only combination we haven't yet really used, which we need to also exercise, is the C and the G pedals. So then you just move your fingers down to the C, E, G, B. And you can go through the whole pattern. And then if you want to, you can go back to the D and A and end on there.